You should not start something when you are not aware about 5-7 basic parameters of business. What happens when you start a business is that you think this is a great idea, you start executing it. And then you fail multiple times because you're always one step behind the problem. I met people from great colleges. मेरा basic question होता है ना, 100 रुपए की चीज़ है तो इसमें टैक्स कितना, अगर 18% टैक्स है तो people fail to answer that. If I used to be on flight, मैं सबसे पहले अपना ब्लूटूथ ऑन करता हूँ और ये देखता हूँ कि कितने लोगों ने मेरी वॉच या मेरा ईयरबड्स पहना है और या मेरा नहीं तो किसी कंपटीशन का पहना है. So I used to track that way, that consumer क्या सोचता है और उसको क्या चाहिए.
कोई स्पेसिफिक इन्फ्लुएंसर याद है जिसके साथ बढ़िया कैंपेन किया और आपने रिजल्ट्स बहुत अच्छे मिले?
TechBundle has worked really well for us.
आज के टाइम में अगर बिना फंडिंग के, बिना किसी एक्सटर्नल पैसे से अगर बड़ी कंपनी बनानी है हज़ारों करोड़ों की, तो ये एपिसोड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि आज के गेस्ट हैं गौरव खत्री, को फाउंडर ऑफ नॉइज़, जिन्होंने 2000 करोड़ की रेवेन्यू कंपनी बना दी बूटस्ट्रैप. उन्होंने हमें ये समझाया कि मार्केट में अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ कैसे स्पॉट करते हैं, ब्रांड कैसे करते हैं, D2C और इंटरनेट का फ़ायदा कैसे उठाते हैं, कैसे अपने आप को मार्केट में सबसे आगे रख सकते हैं, क्या चीज़ें इंपॉर्टेंट है इन अ बिजनेस लाइफ, क्या तुम्हें प्रोडक्ट पे फोकस करना चाहिए, मार्केटिंग पे फोकस करना चाहिए, या एक स्पेस अपने लिए अलग से निकालने पे फोकस करना चाहिए और वो स्पेस कैसे ढूंढें. इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में बात करिए. एंड वी ऑल्सो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि बड़े बड़े सेलिब्रिटीज़ जैसे विराट कोहली, उन तक कैसे पहुंचा जाता है और उनको अपना ब्रांड एम्बेसडर कैसे बनाया जाता है. इन सब के बारे में आज के एपिसोड में बात करिए विद द को फाउंडर ऑफ नॉइज़, गौरव खत्री. एंड बिफोर यू स्टार्ट द शो, जाके राज शमानी क्लिप्स एंड राज शमानी शॉर्ट्स चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लो, क्योंकि वहाँ पर हम इस बड़े एपिसोड को छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में कट करके आपके सामने लेके आते हैं ताकि आप एक कम समय में बेहतर लीडर बन सकें. एंजॉय द शो. नॉइज़ स्टार्ट कैसे किया? चाइना गए, क्या हुआ?
नहीं.
प्रोडक्ट कैसे बना? पहला मतलब बोल दिया ठीक है मुझे तो स्मार्ट वॉच बनानी है भाई, मतलब स्मार्ट वॉच चलेगी, बिकेगी, फ्यूचर है, वो मुझे कूल फैक्टर दे रही है, दूसरे बच्चों को भी देगी, ग्रेट आइडिया. अब क्या स्टार्ट कैसे हुआ? हाउ डिड यू ब्रिंग फर्स्ट ऑर्डर? कितना बड़ा था, कितने पैसे लगे बनाने में, आई कैसे वॉच?
This, if you directly jump to watches, then it will not sum up.
First क्या था?
First Cases and Cover, like I said,
Cases
right?
and Covers के बाद
Cases and Cover was a journey. It was not that I stopped Cases and Cover.
Okay.
I created a cash cow. I knew that this is going to give me the revenue and minimum profits. You don't have to build an extraordinary team for Cases and Cover. You just need a couple of folks in warehouse, and I started printing Cases and Cover factory, also a small factory I put up. वहाँ पे print हो रहे, वहाँ पे पैसे generate होने लगे. So I thought that because I had a mentoring of Amit, that helped me a lot, right? That helped me to, one, not deviate a lot in my thought processes. At least डू करेक्ट थिंग्स. बेसिक जो गलतियां इंसान करता है जब बिजनेस चालू करता है, वो मेरी शायद अमित ने कर रखी थी, तो मुझे वो गाइडेंस थी कि यार ये 5, 10, 50 गलतियां नहीं करनी है हमने.
2-3 गलतियां बताओ जो नहीं करनी चाहिए किसी भी एंटरप्रेन्योर को जो देखा है, जो एकदम
यार
बेसिक.
बहुत सारी हैं, 3 से तो काम ही नहीं हो. बेसिक से बेसिक भी मुझे लगता है कि सबसे पहले तो फोकस नहीं खोना चाहिए.
फोकस
वी गेट टेम्प्टेड बाय रेवेन्यू. आई थिंक you should get tempted by revenue, but you should not get over tempted by revenue, and you start chasing only the units, but you don't chase for the quality, or you start compromising. You started cutting corners.
कोई एग्जांपल्स दो.
मतलब मेरे साथ हुआ नहीं, मैं इसलिए कमेंट नहीं कर पाऊंगा, बट
किसी और ब्रांड का देखा हो, कुछ हुआ जो फेल हो गई हो?
यार बहुत सारी ट्रेडिंग ब्रांड थी Cases and Cover में, who used to come just because selling units. 800 रुपए की चीज़ 400 में बेच दो, they will sell well. But by the time you will understand, because a lot of people did not knew the entire ecosystem of e-commerce. They used to come, list the product and get out. Why? Because by the time they used to realize कि return क्या होता है, by the time they used to realize reduction of payment क्या होती हैं, payment कभी नहीं आती, कभी product delivered नहीं हुआ. Just because I had someone who has been doing a business, I had a luxury to understand this. These are 5-15 things that you should be doing. You need to think about finances. You need to think about team. You need to think about product quality. You need to think about aspirational brand. You have to think about operations, supply chain, everything. What happens when you start a business is that you think this is a great idea. You start executing it. And then you fail multiple times because आप जैसी प्रोडक्ट बनाते हो तो आपको लगता है बिक नहीं रहा. जैसे आप बेचने को सॉल्व करते हो, आप लगता है शिट यार कस्टमर कंप्लेंट भी आ रही है, कंप्लेंट को सॉल्व करते हो आपको लगता है यार कंप्लेंट के लिए टीम चाहिए, देन यू स्टार्ट हायरिंग, यू आर ऑलवेज वन स्टेप बिहाइंड द प्रॉब्लम. So I was fortunate to have people around me who helped me in my early days to not at least be
in a firefighting mode always.
A step behind, but at least I was knowing कि यार ये प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है. So ये सब चीज़ें थोड़ी सी जल्दी पता हो तो I think for any individual it is very important. You should not start something when you are not aware about 5-7 basic parameters of business. You should be aware about how finances work. You should be aware about P&L बनता कैसे है. लोगों को नहीं पता होता यार.
तो ये कैसे पता करे? जैसे आपके पास तो अमित था, बहुत लोगों के पास नहीं होता है. So
यार
what do you think? बुक्स पढ़नी चाहिए, YouTube वीडियोस देखनी चाहिए, कहाँ से हो सकता है? Do you have
everything is available on YouTube. You just need to be aware about things. I'm not saying that you should get a 100% P&L आना चाहिए, but you should be aware what is reduction. मैं बता रहा हूँ यार, मैं I should not name, but I met people from great colleges. मेरा बेसिक क्वेश्चन होता है ना, 100 रुपए की चीज़ है तो इसमें टैक्स कितना, अगर 18% टैक्स है तो पीपल फेल टू आंसर दैट. दैट्स द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम. द फर्स्ट ऑर्डर यू आस्क्ड मी व्हाट वुड हैव बीन द फर्स्ट ऑर्डर, इट वुड हैव बीन वेरी स्मॉल क्वांटिटी, मस्ट बी 1000 or 2000, not more than that.
2000 or 2000 pieces. And this you got it from?
This I've got it from because the entire ecosystem was existing in Southeast Asia, so we were just picking up from there. And but yeah, now the journey is very different. But we started picking up from all the locations that were possible there. So we used to go and get the sensors from one country. The design used to be from different country because we wanted that learning from the design. So we got the best design, hired who could help us in the industrial designing and get this product made. So yeah, get it made, come to India, we started selling, things started working in our favor. I would not say it was a great success, but it was a decently successful product. It was selling at a good speed. It started becoming number one seller because I would say no brands were available that particular time, one. But yeah, the product quality was good, so rating review built up and everything started falling in place. And then we started doubling down and we started getting into the entire details of or the nitty-gritty of the technology and started building smartwatches as a category.
Nice. तो ये smartwatch बनी 2018 में डाले, and then the first colorful watch started picking up.
Yeah, not the colorful watch, but the color display watch.
Display.
Yeah.
But
they were colorful also.
Okay, so colored display. तो उस टाइम पे दूसरी brands नहीं थी क्या? Boat, Firebolt, ये सब नहीं थे उस टाइम?
I mean, nobody was there other than the international brands. I mean, we used to not get any जो बोलते हैं ना, भाव नहीं मिलते थे किसी से. अरे यार कौन खरीदेगा होता था. But then when you got the right product at the right price, at the right experience, with the right technology, everything was good with that and things worked.
What was the point जहाँ पे पता लगा कि अब तो चमक गया? Like there has to be one product, one point, one ad. I don't know. कुछ तो ऐसा होगा कि which was where you saw an uptake. कि obviously business was growing slowly and it kept growing and business as a journey. एक दिन एक point तुम नहीं figure out कर सकते. But still, कौन सा एक point होगा कि यार यहाँ से it put us on map?
यार this would be the second version of this watch.
Okay.
When market also got evolved. Unfortunately, COVID came up. But fortunately for us, people got aware about the health and wearable space. And suddenly, exponentially, they got aware. And that's what the time when we realized that you can't let this opportunity go off. You need to create the brand now. And that's the time when, this is the time when we can double down or triple down or go 5 times. Whatever we have to do it now. So we pushed all our resources, all our teams to just double in all the areas of the businesses. Started working on new product development, started selling well, started putting all and everything that we had to ensure that we don't get out of stock and have the supply sorted. But again, that had its own journey. Made a lot of mistakes there also. Learned with time, and yeah. So that was a moment, I would say, when the base got suddenly increased, where you did not have to invest a lot of money to make somebody aware about how a watch can be transformational for you and why it is important for you. Fortunately, circumstances around us made us aware much more faster, and that worked in our favor, I would say.
So pre-pandemic, what was your revenue, and post-pandemic, how did it jump?
I exactly don't remember the years. This would be pre-COVID. We would be 150. We then suddenly went to 350. Then we moved to 700. Then we moved to 1,000 plus, and we are just doubling since then.
Wow. So there was 150 crores करते थे pandemic के पहले.
उससे पहले 36 भी करा है. मतलब I remember that used to be. I remember the journey. It used to be 715, then 36, and then 100 and something, 120, 25, and then suddenly 350, and then 700 plus.
350 crores से 700 crores.
When I started tracking, the numbers was 350.
Okay, 350 crores पे track करना start किया.
उससे पहले तो I used to not even think too much about whether it is 100 crore, whether it is 50 crores. We used to just think that let's create something meaningful. Let's create.
तो track क्या करते थे business में? Units, number of units.
Number of units, of course, profitability units. We were growing fast. Yeah, you honestly not track. Revenue is not an ultimate goal. You know, if people are liking your product is where I used to get my dopamine from, right? If some people will, if I used to be on flight, मैं सबसे पहले अपना ब्लूटूथ ऑन करता हूँ और ये देखता हूँ कि कितने लोगों ने मेरी वॉच या मेरा ईयरबड्स पहना है और या मेरा नहीं तो किसी कंपटीशन का पहना है या कौन सा फोन यूज कर रहे हैं. आई यूज टू गेट दैट अवेयरनेस ऑल्सो दैट ओके OnePlus के 17 फोन आए हैं मेरे इस लिस्ट में. ओके, this is a phone that is working well. This just came from Cases and Coverage journey where I used to track what phone is working, which people are using what phone. So I used to track that way, and I used to feel happy if somebody is using my product. I used to chat with them for like whatever. I have met people who are using my Cases and Cover sitting next to me. I spoke to them. Why did they buy? Why did they choose? Why did they choose this platform? Why did they choose this design? And how the journey has been. What all brands that chick picked up for. So, like I said, I mean, consumer centricity was one objective that was before product it came. You know, we used to be very, very conscious that consumer क्या सोचता है और उसको क्या चाहिए.
Okay. So वैसे ये question start हुआ था. I had a very specific question of Virat Kohli.
Yeah.
Right. And why I asked you this because recently Virat Kohli was wearing Whoop. And it went on viral. So I wanted to ask as a brand because he's a brand ambassador. तो विराट कोहली ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है और फिर उसने आई मीन ऑब्वियसली Whoop और नॉइज डिफरेंट चीज़ें के लिए होता है बट एज अ ब्रांड ओनर हाउ डिड यू फील
I mean,
जब वो वायरल किया था वो खेल के Whoop पहन के खेल रहा था. तो
I'm not sure if I should comment on this, but like you said, I mean, there are two different products at this point of time. When used to people, a lot of time in my early days when I used to tell that I run a brand called Noise, people used to not know, right? मैं उनको बोलता था देखो ये वेबसाइट खोलो noise.com. They used to see and they used to go back home. And 5 days later they will say, यार तुम्हारी ब्रांड तो बहुत पॉपुलर है, मैं जहाँ जा रहा हूँ तुम्हारी ब्रांड का ही ऐड आ रहा है. And that's when they used to think कि नहीं यार तुम तो बहुत बड़े लोग हो. So that's the same thing with this. You are thinking it has gone viral. That does not mean it has gone viral.
Yeah. And no,
but that does not mean that I am not aware about it and we are not doing this. He is an extraordinary athlete. And this product is for an extraordinary niche, particular thing that you need to monitor, right?
Yeah.
And it's where noise is also going up, right? Why we have created Luna Ring is for that particular audience. We are talking to one set of an audience very frequently. Luna is a concept we are trying to come up with an audience which is much more niche and trying to solve for their particular need, right? There is a consumer who is not at all aware about anything. Then there is a consumer who wants everything in one product. When you grow in that cycle of a consumer, then you start asking for niche specific things for specific use cases. And you won't believe India, for the 3 years, India was, and probably 2 years, India was the fastest growing brand in wearable market. Noise is third largest global brand after Apple and Samsung in smartwatches. Globally.
Really?
Globally, I'm talking about. third largest globally.
You are available in other countries as well?
We are not yet fully available. Not fully, I mean, I would say
But
we are
in
not even available.
Number of users?
No, we are not even available. Forget about it. I would say we are not even available in outside
Just
India.
Indian user base is so big कि globally numbers में you're number
3. And there's not big difference between number 2 and number 3. And we were number 3 for the longest time.
Okay, tell me, how is it? You met Virat Kohli?
Yeah.
How was the experience? How is he as a person? क्या लगा आपको सही था?
See,
पहले actually before that I want you to answer and then you tell me about Virat Kohli. क्योंकि this is World Cup going on and I was observing कि Virat Kohli all of a sudden बहुत ads में आ गया. Right? So I had 2 questions. कि कोई भी अगर इंसान अपनी ब्रांड के लिए एक बड़ा सेलिब्रिटी लेता है तो क्या सोचता है, मतलब क्यों विराट कोहली स्पेसिफिकली मुझे मेरी ब्रांड के लिए चाहिए. अब उसमें 2 कावियार्स आते हैं जो मुझे लगा कि क्वेश्चन मुझे पूछना चाहिए आपसे. एक, क्योंकि इससे पहले वो एक दूसरी ब्रांड प्रमोट करते थे ना सिमिलर कैटेगरी. सो डू यू थिंक इट्स गुड? एंड सेकेंड, विराट कोहली अभी 50 ब्रांड्स का फेस होंगे. आई डोंट नो, आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग नंबर. अब हज़ारों, मतलब हर जगह उन्हीं का फेस दिखता है, राइट? मतलब बहुत सारी ब्रांड्स होती हैं उनकी. तो जब वो इतनी ब्रांड्स के फेस हैं उसके बाद भी क्या ये सेंसिबल होता है कि मेरी ब्रांड का भी उसी को फेस बनाओ? मतलब कोई एक ब्रांड जो 1000-2000 करोड़ कर रही है वो किसी एक बड़े सेलिब्रिटी को लेता क्यों है, और क्या फैक्टर्स होते हैं जो आपने डिसाइड किया कि मैं विराट कोहली को साइन करता हूँ?
One, there is to your answer one, that does it matter if a celebrity A was connected with the brand A and then he suddenly moved to brand B? Maybe for first initial few months it may, but in the long term, it's not only the celebrity which get awareness. It's the product that will speak. But now what has happened, and I think it's been there for a few times, that celebrities are much more aware about what kind of brand that they should choose. It's not only the monetary game. Because beyond the point monetary values stop making any sense to anybody in their life. Forget about celebrities only. Everybody then start chasing that glory or that how do you put it the right words? Matlab, they will start chasing the good things. There's a purpose to it. Why I'm doing this? I will not do this. For an example, Sachin Tendulkar never did a tobacco ad. He never did a liquor ad. He never did any negative ad, right? But that does not mean that other people will not do. Other people will do. But the moment they reach, and everybody have a different purpose at particular time in their journey. 10 years back, somebody had some other purpose where I wanted to make a lot of money, then move to something else, then you move to something else, and end of the day, मैंने last में ये देखा purpose सब लोग ढूंढने बैठ जाते हैं, right? Because आपके self goals सारे पूरे हो जाते हैं तो उसके बाद आपको कुछ मतलब नहीं है.
बड़े goals चाहिए थे, purpose चाहिए होता है.
And you want to return back to charity and not return back to the society from where you came and all those things. But yeah, coming back to celebrity piece, one that I think it's important to understand that celebrities are also not aware a lot of time what they're owning, right? You get endorsement because people around you put you in that spot. But the moment celebrities start understanding, that specific thing or the category that they are endorsing, they make their conscious decisions. So it does not matter a lot whether he was or X person was with brand A and then who moved to brand B. That will keep on happening because unfortunately or fortunately, we only have one game that is extraordinarily big, right? So it does not matter a lot. There are multiple reasons that why Virat Kohli. One that, like I said, we have also achieved to a level where we were extraordinarily focused on the niche of fitness, health. Like I said, talk about Luna, and there's no one other than Virat Kohli as an example in the country who has built the culture of fitness and health, not just bodybuilding. I'm talking about proper health and fitness, where what he can do, a lot of people at that age are not able to do. How fit he is, he doesn't get cramps so easily, right? That is the awareness that he has built around the fitness, and then you and I will start following him for that fitness also.
Yeah.
तुरंत सर्च करने लग जाएंगे. कल अगर कोई लिख देगा ना YouTube पे कि मैंने विराट कोहली की डाइट बनाई,
सब देखेंगे,
सारी दुनिया देखने बैठ जाएगी, राइट?
मैं देखूंगा क्या खाता है.
We are all curious about because we want to be like him, right? And the consumer wants to be like him. So we wanted to specifically target that audience. We wanted to be very, very particular about the messaging of health and fitness. As a brand, we are a brand which started from 0 to 1. He started from 0 to 1. He came from a small, I mean, Delhi, but yeah, started with no glory in the back, and then made him really big wherever
Became the
he
biggest.
is. Became the biggest in the country. We were also like that. But coming back to, so all these synergies were there because we wanted, number one, we wanted someone people look up to for health, for niche, for that his excellence towards anything that he does, his dedication towards cricket, his fitness, his probably family, whatever.
Okay.
All have seen that. So that was probably one of the reasons that we gave him, and nobody bigger than him was there who can bring that kind of pull. And then when you think about, honestly, we are not global yet, but tomorrow if we think about global, very limited faces are known in the global market, like Virat Kohli. So that was also one of the reasons.
You met him. How's he in person? Arrogant, attitude, or nice, sweet? How was your experience?
My experience has been very limited time. I mean, spent some 10-15 minutes with him in the shoot, and it was a busy schedule for the brand also and for him also. He has an energy, and he was very particular in the shoot also. It was not like yaar shot hai to de diya. He wanted that shot to go right.
Perfect.
And he was looking for perfection there also. And I think he was a perfectionist. He didn't want to finish things just for the sake of finishing it.
कोई specific influencer याद है जिसके साथ बढ़िया कैंपेन किया और आपने results बहुत अच्छे मिले?
I would say there are few. Initially, I used to get very involved into all this thing and used to love all that.
There are few. कोई specific example?
Tech Burner, I will say. Tech Burner has worked really well for us.
Tech Burner, Shlok, yeah. क्या work किया, कैसे किया? Give me.
The first, I don't have 100% numbers at this point of time, but like I said, the consumer who's watching a video about smartwatches on Tech Burner are probably much more intentful in buying a smartwatch. Hence, they will go and see कि यार smartwatch खरीदनी है मुझे, और अरे ये स्मार्ट वॉच पे वीडियो भी डाला है तो लेट मी सी व्हाट इट इज. वन, आई वांट टू बाय अ नॉइस का प्रोडक्ट XYZ और इसी के ऊपर टेक बर्नर ने वीडियो डाला है, तब तो मेरे को और रीजन मिल जाएगा टू बाय.
सेकंड,
थर्ड इज द अवेयरनेस. यार ये स्मार्ट वॉच के बारे में वीडियो डाला है तो लेट मी गेट अवेयर अबाउट ओके दिस इज समथिंग दैट इज हैपनिंग एंड टेक बर्नर ने डाला है तो अच्छा ही होगा, और ऑल दैट थिंग. आई वुड से वी हैव सीन गुड ROIs कमिंग इन इनिशियल डेज व्हेन influencer marketing was just starting, because customer को उस समय integrations were not very obvious to them. They used to genuinely see content based on कि यार ये तो उसने डाला है for his own content, not the brand has told them. In that immaturity or maturity of the consumer, we used to get much more good results as a brand. With time, when there are 5, 10, 7 influencers who came up, who became decent in size, probably not as big as Tech Burner, but then probably सबको लगने लग जाता है यार ये सब सारी दुनिया पैसे दे के करवा रही है. Even if somebody will put generally the right video about, तो भी ये लगने लग जाता है. So वो can't help, but we have seen good results, and at least awareness index goes really really high.
So there used to be a time जब I think 2 years ago, जब मैं कुछ भी अगर ब्रांडेड पोस्ट डालता था तो मुझे लिखना होता था #ad, राइट? क्योंकि लोग को पता नहीं होता था कि ऐड है कि मैं ऑर्गेनिक कर रहा हूँ, राइट? तो मुझे बताना होता था कि ऐड है. अब ना ऐसा टाइम आ गया कि जब मैं कुछ ऑर्गेनिक करता हूँ तो मुझे लिखना पड़ता है कि #not an ad. भाई मैं जेन्युइनली बताना चाह रहा हूँ, उल्टा करना पड़ता है क्योंकि लोगों को लगता है हर चीज़ ये लोग
मैं बता रहा हूँ ना,
मुझे बोलना पड़ता है कि नहीं ये घड़ी मैं इसलिए पहन रहा हूँ या मैं इसलिए कर रहा हूँ, ये तो नॉट एन ऐड क्योंकि आई लव द प्रोडक्ट.
And again, there is no right strategy for using an influencer, not using an influencer. What is an influencer that you should use? It totally depends upon what is that your demand is and what do you want to solve for. A big influencer works in a different way. A small influencer works in a different way. Is it important to do influencer marketing? Absolutely, it is important, because they are the people which bring that trust factor also for any young brand also.
Okay, tell me, एक very curious question. I think ये तो आप बहुत basic question है जो आपको 1000 लोगों ने पूछा होगा, but I want you to answer कि your biggest competitor is Boat right now in the country, right? So Boat is extremely well-funded company, good. उनका marketing बहुत है, उनके पास बहुत बड़े-बड़े stars है, and Aman himself is like a really big brand now. Aman Gupta has become like a big brand because of Shark Tank, right? बहुत सारी चीज़ें. And then, whereas you, I don't know if underdogs is the right word, but let's say nobody knew you, एकदम से आप आए, all of a sudden noise became a big thing, और कोई funding नहीं, right? तो ये तो बता दिया आपने पॉसिबल है कि तुम आज के एनवायरनमेंट में भी बूटस्ट्रैप कंपनी को तुम फंडेड कंपनी के सामने खड़े कर सकते हो, करेक्ट, राइट? मतलब दिस इज नॉट इवन अ क्वेश्चन विच, नहीं तो पहले ये क्वेश्चन होता है सबसे कि यार आज क्या बूटस्ट्रैप कंपनी बन सकती है क्या, क्योंकि हर जगह पीपल आर जस्ट स्पेंडिंग मनी लेफ्ट राइट सेंटर कि जो एटलीस्ट बूटस्ट्रैप्ड है वो तो बाहर हो जाए ताकि फिर फंडेड लड़ेंगे आपस में, करेक्ट, राइट? क्या लगता है कि क्यों इतने एक्सट्रीमली फंडेड एनवायरनमेंट में भी नॉइज became number one in the country और वो स्मार्ट वेरेबल्स में मतलब बोट के सामने खड़ी हो पाई? इतनी बड़ी मार्केटिंग, इतनी फंडिंग, इतनी मार्केटिंग, इतनी बड़ी पर्सनल ब्रांड के सामने नॉइस कैसे खड़ी हो पाई? व्हाट डू यू थिंक, व्हाट वर यू डूइंग राइट जो बाकी लोगों को सीखना चाहिए?
Again, lot of answers to this is again no.
Give me 3 points. Let's just put it at 3 points. 1, 2, 3.
I'll try and answer. So one that I think in a consumer mind it looks like that the brands are competing because thoda crossover hai of the category that we do, but we are primarily the leaders of wearables, not once, probably for last 3.5 years. We're significantly big there. Our focus on bringing the technology around smartwatches is very high. The kind of investment, R&D, tech that we are doing at this point of time is completely evolved around that. I don't know what kind of brand vision they have particularly, but our thought process is very different from the way we are doing businesses. There is currently no domestic brand that I know of who is thinking in the direction of tech, R&D, the app ecosystem that we have built, the other Luna Ring that we are doing. We are not doing anything for the sake of just doing it. We are trying to solve or create something that goes for long. So yeah, coming back to the comparison. So honestly, there are two different brands working, solving something different. They are more of an audio brand. They are more in speakers, soundbars, watches. They are there. For them, whatever watches is, for us, that's the audio business. So their 80% of things is our 20%. Our 20% of things is probably their 80% of the things. So in terms of probably it looks like that there is a competition. Maybe the brands are solving for something else, right? With respect to, again, even if two brands are competing in the space, it's absolutely okay to create a brand which is externally funded versus a non-funded brand. There is huge space in this country. मतलब 140 करोड़ लोग बैठे हैं हम यार, एक ब्रांड छोड़ो 10 ब्रांड भी पूरी लग जाए ना तब भी पूरा सिस्टम केटर नहीं कर सकते. Everybody is solving for their own specific set of customers, or maybe 5 set of customers, 50 set of customers, because every customer is a different shade. You're solving for something. मैं कुछ और कर रहा हूँ, आप कुछ और करना चाहते हो, वो किसी और के लिए कर रहे हैं. So there is no comparison between that. Second, with respect to bootstrapped, can there be a brand created in the bootstrap way? Yes. Is it the only way to create a brand that we raise a fund and do it? Probably not. Again, a lot of things worked into our favor because we were early adopters, we were early movers. We invested right in R&D and tech very early in time. We focused. We kept our focus very, very strong on doing limited things, but doing them right and good, rather than creating कि यार केबल भी बेच लो, अडेप्टर भी बेच लो, पावर बैंक भी बेच दूँ मैं, और टीवी भी बेच लेता हूँ, लैपटॉप भी कर लेता हूँ, because all these advices that you keep getting from other people. Why don't you sell mobiles? When are your mobiles coming? And I would not say it's anything wrong selling them, but if I do that, my other purposes also get defeated.
Quick 3 questions. Okay. 1, what factors should people consider before buying a smartwatch? क्या सोचना चाहिए, क्या चीजें देखनी चाहिए एक स्मार्ट वॉच खरीदने से पहले?
One, that if it is a noise watch or not. हालांकि मुझे प्रमोट नहीं करना है, but if it is a noise watch or not. But probably, like I said, I mean, there are reasons why people are buying it. Either they are buying it for the lifestyle. If you're buying it for the lifestyle, look for whether the watch is solving your lifestyle side of it. For me, the most important is what kind of ecosystem that watch brings. It just not be just telling you कि यार आप इतने calories चल रही है. Beyond that, the software ecosystem and the app ecosystem that it brings is something that one should consider. Of course, sensor and all is very difficult for consumer to understand. With time, they will understand it. But then again, it's about what kind of screen quality that you are going to check, what kind of feature set. For an example, there are watches with GPS, there are watches with calls and non-calling quality features, watches with AMOLED and non-AMOLED display. So depending upon all those things, you pick up your watch. So first is why you want to buy a smartwatch. If you know that answer, then you need to go.
If I don't have an answer, because like smartwatch खरीदनी हर कोई खरीद रहा है, मैं भी देख लेता हूँ.
तो फिर I need to aware you why you need to buy a smartwatch. But having said that, the people comes up with either budget or the lifestyle angle, और fitness के लिए बहुत second journey में आता है, मैंने ये देखा है. But first is the lifestyle piece that is coming. But yeah, now with time, I would say when we started, maybe 2% people used to do it for fitness. But now I think more than 5x of the earlier number has started becoming the fitness side of it. Now people are getting into niche. Yeah, this watch solves for my tracking of the walk that I do with GPS tracking hoti hai, so that I want. Now the watches will come with all the 4G connections. Watches will come with app controllability. The watches will come where you can control a lot of light and other ecosystem. So all this will become much more prominent reason for you to buy a smart wearable device, not only watches, the wearable devices.
Because you have like smart homes, you'll also have like a smart
probably
remote in your watch.
It'll be there for sure.
So I bought my first smartwatch in pandemic because I read an article कि किसी के पापा का heart attack track हो गया था on an Apple Watch.
It sent an SMS and all that thing.
Sending an SMS कि आपका heart rate is abnormal, go get an ECG, and then they were very fast to move and do it. I was impressed. I was like, or in short,
that's what is preventive health. That's what I was talking about.
That was this?
Preventive health. You were asking, no? That's what I was talking about. It will give you so much of information about you that your lifespan will go up. And पहले पता ही नहीं होता था ना यार लोगों को कि ये सब चीज़ें होती हैं. आज से 50 साल बाद पहले हार्ट अटैक आ जाता था तो भी नहीं पता होता था, कोई बीमारी हो जाती तो पता नहीं होता था. मतलब नाउ यू विल बी मच मोर अवेयर अबाउट इट. वेदर यू टेक एक्शन और नॉट इज अपॉन यू.
बट इट्स सो फनी कि मैंने 25 जगह एड्स देखी होगी, 25 इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को देखा होगा, सेलिब्रिटीज़ को देखा होगा, स्टोर्स में देखा होगा, बहुत हाइप सुनी है, नेशनल इंटरनेशनल लॉन्चेस सुने. मैंने कभी नहीं कुछ सोचा भी नहीं कि खरीदनी है. बट एक इन शॉर्ट का न्यूज़ वेयर इट सेड कि ऐसा हुआ, it just gave me, I was like नहीं मेरे को पूरी फैमिली के लिए चाहिए. So I bought it for me, I bought it for my father, I asked my brother and my mom. They both discarded as हमें नहीं चाहिए.
You are an early adopter in that. That's what I'm talking about. I think it will become part of our life so much that it will be detachable. A lot of people will hate me for this because everybody wants to get away from the technology. But when it is about saving yourself from basic health, giving you a basic health regime and fitness regime, it's important to have those devices. So
I disagree कि people want to stay away from tech. People want to get away from screens.
Yeah.
Not from tech.
But
there'll be like smaller screens or smaller like rings and everything. I think if it solves with preventive health कि तुम्हें,
it will help.
I don't know, one day if it starts telling you कि heart rate क्या होगा, कैसे होगा,
I am telling you subconsciously. In my mind, I have started realizing that I should sleep on time just because I have been around those products so much. I never cared what time I should sleep, what time I should up. I never cared about it. आज के दिन में मैं normally I go to my bed at 10:30. Try to sleep by 11:30 at max. And if I sleep more also, someday if I slept for 9 hours, I also get to know that whether it has worked for me or whether it has not worked for me. So now I know that 7 to 8 is something that is at this age with whatever limited workout that I do, it's working for me like 8 hours, 7.5 hours, 7 hours. If I sleep 9 hours also, it gives me a poor rating. यार भैया बहुत ज़्यादा सो गए, इतना ज़रूरत नहीं थी.
But it's so true. So I tracked, मैंने जो track किया था पिछले 4 महीने का दिखाया that average sleep required based on my daily workout and the stress I go through mentally, physically, whatever, I need 9.5 hours of sleep every day, right? और एवरेज लास्ट 4 महीने का मेरा 5 hour 25 minutes की एवरेज स्लीप.
That's bad, very bad.
It's really bad, right? अब वो मैंने लास्ट वीक देखा, पिछले हफ्ते से मतलब मेरे दिमाग में बस ये आ गया मैं सोऊंगा कब. It has started annoying me.
Yeah.
So now I've started sleeping. So last night was the first time where I slept at 11 because I had to get up at 8. I'm like 11 सोना ही पड़ेगा, नहीं तो नहीं मिलेगी 9 घंटे की नींद. And that has started happening. क्योंकि वो awareness इतना आ गया है, now you start feeling guilty कि भाई अगर लाइफ में लंबा चलना है तो ये सब करना पड़ेगा.
So I always give this example of WhatsApp. Right? Nobody wanted WhatsApp in their life. At least our parents never wanted WhatsApp in life.
Never.
ठीक है, आज की दुनिया में सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ करने वाले वो हमारे पेरेंट्स हैं. They can't live for 5 minutes. Mom, dad will सोने से पहले फ़ोन उठाएंगे, उठने के बाद फ़ोन उठाएंगे. And they are using it most, right? They got exposed to a technology which they used to feel that it is not going to be very helpful. बच्चे बिगड़ रहे हैं, सोशल मीडिया बहुत यूज़ हो रहा है. वो खुद ही फेक व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी से कुछ ना कुछ न्यूज़ ला के भेजते रहेंगे हमें कि अरे बेटा ये होने वाला है, वो देखा तुमने. Then we will tell them कि this is wrong, this is not. Similarly, I mean, when you get aware and you start in your subconscious mind, you start feeding, you start accepting it also if the results are coming.
So you said something कि इंडिया के पास सबसे बड़ा यूथ है एंड इसकी वजह से हम टेक्नोलॉजी अडॉप्ट करने में सबसे आगे हैं. डू यू फील कि अब हर टेक्नोलॉजी प्रोडक्ट ही होगा, अब ओल्ड टाइप के प्रोडक्ट्स जो है वो खत्म होते जाएंगे? जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल एज सिंपल एज वॉच, डू यू थिंक जो ये ओल्ड बोरिंग वॉचेस हैं दिल जस्ट डाई ऑफ और दिल बिकम लाइक अ वेरी स्मॉल नीश, लार्जर मार्केट खत्म हो जाएगा? लाइक हाउ वी सॉ इट इन स्मार्टफोन्स, राइट? मतलब ब्लैकबेरी टाइप के फोन्स खत्म, ब्लैकबेरी से पहले जो भी डब्बा फोन से वो सब एंडी हो गए, कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है.
All tech will become smart tech. All smart tech will become smarter tech. That will keep happening, and that's the beauty of having a technology brand. Always keep aspiring you to become better and do something new. It's not like यार अगर मैंने for example nothing against any category, but if I've done a cream, I have to sell this cream for 100. Yeah, that's also a good thing that is एक बार सक्सेसफुल एक प्रोडक्ट क्रैक कर लिया तो आपकी लाइफ शायद सॉर्टेड है, शायद सॉर्टेड है, बन गया. टेक्नोलॉजी में वो नहीं है, वो भी शायद अनफॉर्चुनेट पार्ट भी यही है कि यू हैव टू बी ऑन योर टोज, यू हैव टू अडॉप्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वेरी फास्ट, यू हैव टू कीप अपग्रेडिंग योरसेल्फ, यू अपग्रेड योरसेल्फ विद योर कंज्यूमर. इफ यू स्टिक विद योर ओन टेक्नोलॉजी एंड नहीं यार मैंने तो ये बना दिया, यही चलेगा अगले 10 20 25 50 साल, तो नहीं होने वाला इस कैटेगरी में. यही ब्यूटी मुझे लगती है कि इसकी कि देयर इज समथिंग टू वर्क टुमारो ऑल्सो.
कमिंग बैक टू द टेक्नोलॉजी पॉइंट, तो अभी मतलब बेसिक चीज़ों में पर्सनलाइज्ड जो जैसे विटामिन्स होते हैं, सीरियल्स होता है, ब्रेकफास्ट होता है, सब. डू यू थिंक द पर्सनलाइज्ड थिंग इज
फॉर श्योर.
लाइक परफ्यूम्स होती है ना, देयर इज अ ब्रांड इन यूएस, फॉरगॉट द नेम अगेन, डोजियर डाइसियो ऐसी कुछ नाम है, व्हिच ओनली सेल्स सिग्नेचर परफ्यूम्स. कि वो आपसे 15 क्वेश्चंस फिल कराते हैं कि मुझे ये पसंद है, मुझे ये नहीं पसंद है, मैं पार्टी में इतनी बार जाता हूँ, मैं काम इतनी बार करता हूँ, मुझे मेरा सर बहुत जल्दी दुख जाता है, मेरा नहीं होता, लाइक मल्टीपल थिंग्स. मुझे जनरली फ्लावर्स, मतलब मैं बाथरूम में जाता हूँ तो मोगरा बहुत अच्छा लगता है वर्सेस
fair got your point, what you're
and then based on that they give you a signature. Okay, all of these things, I think these are the 4 ingredients that you should use in perfume, और ये signature बना के आपको दे दे. And that company is I think doing around $60-70 million in sales, and which is a very new company, not like extremely funded as well. So do you think the personalized thing will become a big thing in India as well?
I think it will take time. Again, customers are very different. Personalized, ये सब थोड़ा सा luxury होती है लाइफ की ना. First I have to get a basic thing, then I will think about premiumizing that basic thing, and then I'll think about going personalized on that basic thing. In our childhood, we never saw, again, we were talking about it, we never saw face wash as a concept, right? We saw one random ad. My body wash, मैं generally मेरी life cycle बता रहा हूँ, how I evolved. I used to probably have Lux or Lifebuoy kind of a shampoo, not soap bar, and then suddenly बोला किसी ने नहीं यार शैम्पू भी कोई चीज़ होती है, सनसिल्क आया, सनसिल्क के बाद पैंटीन के बाद whatever, डव के बाद, और XYZ. there was journey. Whenever we used to see an upgraded product in the same category, we kept premiumizing ourselves. We kept premiumizing because probably we were growing in the similar financials also, that you could afford the next technology or can buy it. Financially मुझे लगता नहीं है कि इन कैटेगरीज में बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट डालता है. 100-200 वाली decisions people at all the scale can take. Similarly, in this also, premiumization पहले होता है बेसिक के बाद अपग्रेडेड के बाद प्रीमियम अपग्रेड के बाद की भी मेरे को लगता है 2-3 साइकिल चलती हैं उसी के ऊपर, एंड देन इट कम्स आउट कि यार नहीं, नाउ आई ओनली वांट टू सॉल्व फॉर माय विटामिन ई प्रॉब्लम इन बॉडी, आई वांट दिस डिवाइस, I only want to solve for the sleep. I want a device which gives me sleep. I want to not get distracted by other notification features that comes with it. मुझे best of the class of that problem चाहिए. वो आप आइडेंटिफाई तब करना चालू करोगे जब आप उस प्रॉब्लम के आपके टाइम है और आपके पास इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन आ रही है कि हाँ ये प्रॉब्लम भी देख लो यार, रखने के लिए अलग फेस वॉश यूज़ करना है वो भी देख लो, स्लीप के लिए अलग डिवाइस यूज़ करनी है वो भी देख लो, रनिंग के लिए अलग टी शर्ट यूज़ करनी है. कितने लोग तो हम पूरी ज़िंदगी कॉटन टी शर्ट में भागे हैं यार, पूरा क्रिकेट खेल के आ गए घर से स्कूल से घर. कभी थोड़ी सोचा था नहीं देयर हैज़ टू बी अ डिफरेंट टी शर्ट फॉर स्पोर्ट्स वेयर, डिफरेंट वेयर, यू नेवर हैड केयर्ड इट. बट व्हेन यू स्टार्ट यूजिंग इट, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट doing that habit again and again and using that category again and again, then you start upgrading in that category. Similarly, I feel maybe a little far, but it's part of the journey, so it may come up someday in our life.
So if I want to summarize your answer, you feel कि हर country और हर consumer base चार-पांच phases में जाता है. Basics, premium का premiumly upgraded like a
so basics,
premium, luxury.
No, so basic, upgraded features, then premium of that same thing, then premium के बाद ultra premium or some other brands in the premium luxury, and then luxury के बाद he would pick about personalize about. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, that's what I feel.
ये 4-5 phases है कि basics, upgraded premium, luxury, and then the personalized. तो India you feel अभी basics से just upgraded पे आ चुका है कि नहीं, basic upgraded के बीच में ही है?
We have good strength of audience which is at basics, good strength of audience at upgraded and upgraded to aspirational or a premium. I think we are moving up. There is a significant chunk of customers at all these three.
Okay, आपने sales बहुत करी है, right? And you understand Indian consumers.
I don't know.
Give me 2-3 consumer insights कि इंडिया के लोग खरीदते क्या है.
So there is a pattern that I'm seeing. People are in a stage where much more aware, like not like before, जहाँ पे पता ही नहीं था कि product लेना क्या. They are aware what they want to buy. Now they want to get aware about what this brand or product will solve for them in their life rather than just having it as a basic. So consumer are moving from that, at least in our category. They had their first set of watches. Now they're looking for what is that this next set of watch will bring in my life. Whether it can control a lot of apps, whether it can give me much more information, whether it can give me much more accurate health, predictive health and information. They are moving towards that. That will be the next set of cycle that will be there. And similarly, I feel there is now the tier 2 city also is aware about brands, products. Unlike हमारा बचपन जहाँ में पता ही नहीं था कि यार 500 brands हैं दुनिया में जो ये सामान बेचते हैं. मेरी ज़िंदगी में मुझे पेप्सी कोक के अलावा पता ही नहीं था कुछ होता भी है. I did not know there are juices, there are real juices, which took a lot of time in our cities to reach. And Happy Fizz तो मेरे को लगता है हमारे तो मतलब पूरी बचपन निकल गया. उसके बाद पता लगा कि ऐसी कोई चीज़ है. Red Bull,
जब Happy Fizz आई थी हम लोग तो उसको डिस्कार्ड कर देते थे.
हाँ, बियर है तो हाँ, पेरेंट्स पिलाते नहीं थे बिकॉज ये बियर लगती थी उनको, राइट? सिमिलरली
बियर ये नहीं पीना.
In our life, we got exposed to Red Bull in our energy drink as a concept very late.
In college.
Right? तो मतलब वो तो कूल फैक्टर था, आज भी कूल फैक्टर है शायद आज की tier 2 cities में. But yeah, there is much more awareness that a consumer has because of social media and internet penetration. He is aware what is getting consumed in Delhi. So हमें पता ही नहीं होता था what is getting consumed in Bombay and Delhi. Because जो टीवी बताता था वही हमारा सच था पूरी जिंदगी का. अब सच is available through much more different resources and direct from the horse's mouth. We used to only hear it what people wants to tell us. Now we know what people want to tell us, what this person feels, what that person feels, and we can choose our opinion based on that, and then we can make our buying pattern. So consumer is aware. He is ready to buy. I strongly disagree when people say that हिंदुस्तान सस्ता खरीदने वाला देश है. हिंदुस्तान सस्ता खरीदने वाला देश नहीं है. हिंदुस्तान is value conscious. If you give the right product that solves for his needs at right price, then he will buy it. At upgraded price, he will buy. When he will start seeing the value कि यार इससे इतना हो रहा है और उससे इतना हो रहा है, वो फिर ROI निकालने बैठ जाएंगे, थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट आ जाता है वहाँ पे, फिर दैट अल्ट्रा प्रीमियम बिकना मुश्किल हो जाता है. बट टिल अ सर्टेन वैल्यू people are in a stage where they're upgrading from absolute non-branded, non-experiential brands to experiential brands, and experiential brands to probably emotional and the niche of the brands. And the one quick thing that we are seeing, that people are also loving Indian brands. It's not anymore true that people disregard or they don't
India है तो अच्छा नहीं होगा.
India है तो अच्छा नहीं होगा, because lot of brands in D2C in all the categories have proved, whether it is us in our category, whether it is lot of cosmetic brands that have done so well in terms of quality and experiences. Mamaearth is a great example. Sugar, we have seen what they've done. Nykaa chalo brand nahi hai, it's a more of a ecosystem. But how Boat has done, how other brands have done in a lot of different areas, they've done so well.
Yeah.
And people are happy to accept those brands as their daily consumption.
तो इससे ये यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि हम लोग अपग्रेडेड या फीचर्स या प्रीमियम पे जा रहे हैं थोड़ा सा. जैसे यूएस में एक ब्रांड है लिक्विड डेथ, सुना क्या है?
नाम सुना है मैंने और थोड़ा बहुत.
सो व्हाट दे डिड, उन्होंने एक बहुत कूल सा पानी बनाया जो बियर कैंस जैसे बियर मिलती है ना कैंस में, वैसे पानी बेचने लगे. लिक्विड डेथ, मेटल कैंस उसका नाम, मेटल कैंस में लिक्विड डेथ करके ब्रांड का नाम है, उसको बेचने लगे. पानी बेच रहे हैं, लिटरली पानी, उस पानी में कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं, जस्ट अ कूलर ब्रांड. कि तुम जब पानी पीते हो तो नॉर्मल प्लास्टिक की बॉटल से नहीं, जैसे बियर कैन लोग पीते हैं वैसे तुम पानी उस
I have heard this, I think.
एंड ऑलमोस्ट $1 billion, अब ऑलमोस्ट 7,000-8,000 करोड़ की कंपनी बन चुकी है वो कुछ सालों के अंदर ही, पानी बेच के. जस्ट बिकॉज किसी ने पानी तुम्हें बियर के कैन में बेचा, वो कूलनेस की वजह से लोगों ने खरीद लिया. आज वो शायद यूएस में सबसे बड़ी पानी की कंपनी बन चुकी है. डू यू थिंक वैसी चीजें इंडिया में बन सकती है?
यार बनेंगी, कभी ना कभी बनेंगी, बट आज तो नहीं बन सकती. मेरा तो स्ट्रॉन्ग से आज नहीं बन सकती, नॉट टुडे. टुमारो इट कैन, इट मे नॉट अगेन.
आज मतलब कि कोई आज काम करना स्टार्ट करेगा तो 1-2 साल में तो नहीं
बन रही, मुझे नहीं लगता. मतलब अभी भी हमारे में इतना पैसा छोड़ने की आदत नहीं है, और है भी नहीं शायद. अगेन इट्स ऑल लग्जरी. वी आर डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ बेसिक्स. नाउ वी हैव गॉट बेसिक्स. We have moved up in our ladder to the basics, to little upgraded basics and some premiumization there. But if somebody will say कि नहीं यार हम आप और मैं ही ले लेते हैं यार, probably we can afford that water bottle also, or the beer water bottle, whatever we want to call it. But will you buy it? In subconscious mind हमारी परवरिश ऐसी है कि हम 10 रुपए की पानी की बोतल ही लेते हैं ना यार.
मैं ट्राई करने के लिए पी लूंगा,
एक बार पी लूंगा, हाँ,
फिर नहीं खरीदूंगा.
मेरे साथ भी यही है, एक बार ट्राई करने के लिए, वो भी हम हैं तो बोल देंगे ट्राई करने के लिए ले लेते हैं. नॉट एवरीबडी विल.
दैट्स ट्रू. मैं पता है पहले ग्लास की बोतल में पानी ना टेस्ट ज़्यादा बेटर करता है देन प्लास्टिक की बोतल में. तो मैंने एक बार एयरपोर्ट पे गया और वो मैंने हिमालय की ग्लास की
ब्यूटीफुल बोतल,
यार बहुत बढ़िया है, बट वापस आज तक नहीं खरीदी. यार मैं 80 रुपए नहीं दे रहा, 10 रुपए बिस्लरी मिल जाएगी.
That was a deprived Raj of having an experience of a brand, and hence he wanted to buy it for the one time. And he had it once or maybe twice or thrice, and he was like, ठीक है पानी दो यार, how it is adding value to me. तो हमारे यहाँ पे ना थोड़ा ROI आ जाती है कहीं ना कहीं in thought process.
And there are 2 businesses which keeps getting talked a lot when it comes to bootstrap companies. One is Zerodha, second is Noise. On social media, you guys have a lot of chatter, specifically when D2C comes in the picture. आपका सबसे ज़्यादा नाम आता है, and then finance comes in picture, because ये दोनों categories बहुत heavily funded है.
Right.
And in both the categories, you have outliers.
Yeah.
We have Zerodha brothers, and then we have Noise brothers.
Maybe the brother ecosystem works
much better in bootstrap system.
Yeah. So it's always good to get compared with the right set of people. So yeah, I think we are happy that we get compared with them. I just wish that we keep on growing and create meaningful for the country and create something that helps not only Noise but other ecosystems and the manpower and the country to go up and up and up. So there should be, and I strongly feel that is already happening and will happen in a very big way, is that in our childhood we used to get inspired from the global brands and we wanted them to come to India. And I'm sure in some time, in some categories, or maybe most of the categories, it will be Indian brands who will go to global the houses of the global world and people will love it and own it.
I wish the same, and I wish that you actually create an ecosystem which acts like a catalyst in the country
Yeah.
कि भाई दूसरी जगह जैसे हमारा नाम भी आ रहा है, because you know if you look at पहले एक टाइम था जहाँ पे सिर्फ यूएस का नाम होता था कि टेक्नोलॉजिकली एडवांस्ड यूएस इज द कंट्री जहाँ पे सारी टेक्नोलॉजीज वहीं से आती हैं. फिर उसके बाद जापानीज टेक्नोलॉजी केम इन द पिक्चर. पेन से लेके गाड़ी में लेके हर जगह जापानीज टेक्नोलॉजी. आई रिमेंबर व्हेन आई वाज ग्रोइंग अप सारे पेन की एड सिर्फ जापानीज टेक्नोलॉजी होती थी. कार की एड जापानीज टेक्नोलॉजी होती थी. हर जगह दे वर द प्रीमियर वंस. देन चाइना केम इन द पिक्चर, राइट? Now it's time that we see Indian technology
it is the time and
become big.
We are becoming that hub, and we have all the ingredients to go there. We have right set of mindset, people, money, education,
Consumer
everything,
base.
consumer base. So we don't need to depend upon the global markets to create a brand. You can create a brand for India and that can go global also. So
you feel हमको dependent होने की जरूरत नहीं, because still if you look at large amount of hardware you get it from China, software और जो at least the platforms are larger about you get it from marketplaces, software, cloud. इन सब चीज़ों के लिए जो चीज़ें हैं वो तुम्हें यूएस और कनाडा से आता है, like Shopify पड़ता है.
ठीक है,
यूएस से आता है. फिर उसके बाद पैसा यूजुअली फॉरेन से आता है ज़्यादा, राइट? तो अभी भी हम डिपेंडेंट है दूसरी कंट्रीज
हैं, फॉर श्योर हैं, बट क्या उतने डिपेंडेंट हैं जितने पहले थे? क्या हम खुद का कुछ कर पा रहे हैं? हाँ, कर पा रहे हैं. हम खुद की चीज़ें बना पा रहे हैं. All these things have taken ages for them to create. Can we replicate in 2 years? No, of course not. Can we create another Shopify? Of course, yes. What stops us to not having a Shopify? Freshdesk is an Indian product, at least Indian-owned owner who is taking care of that product. So Zoho is another one. We have solved for world. Maybe not in this specific category, and maybe you will keep borrowing things from here and there. Somebody has become big, somebody has not become big. That depends upon, it's not something based on national. I mean, a technology is not based on any specific country. That time has gone. Every country will create something big and then people will start using it in all the countries.
Okay, question of the day, last question. This is your 1 minute to tell us why you are better or why we should prefer Noise over Boat and Firebolt, and I don't know 5 other brands as well, or 200 wearable brands नहीं खरीद के हमें Noise क्यों खरीदनी चाहिए? Go.
I mean, we are very, very strong and focused on consumer centricity and the tech and R&D. A lot of things that we are doing are being done in-house for the consumer, not just being borrowed and has limited understanding about the backend tech. Our focus is to build something that not only holds the consumer for one device, rather for the 500 and 1500 devices that he will buy in his lifetime. So that's what our focus is. So trying to democratize things in a very simplified way, rather than solving for today's problem and moving on to the next problem tomorrow. That's not the vision that brand has. And of course, if you want a great experience, you talk about branding, hardware, software, anything that is with us. I'm not sure about how competition is doing, though I'm aware, but not sure what are they trying to solve in their businesses. But yeah, there's a different thing that we are trying to solve. Our vision is to upgrade with our consumers and take them to the next level of the technology with us, rather than be dependent on the global brands that we used to before. So that's what is the reason for somebody to buy a Noise.
Will you go IPO at any time?
It's
प्लान
क्या सोचते तो रहते ही हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि सोचा नहीं होगा, बट do you have extra dedicated time to think on that? Probably no, we have not gone for that, but yeah, it's part of a journey of a business. It's not the destination, it's the milestone that will come in between and will go. I'm sure you would have met a lot of people who have done IPO in their life, but beyond a point, things does not change. You do IPO for different reasons, not for the glory of the IPO. If you're doing it for the glory of the IPO, then I think you're not doing it for the right purpose. So you need to have the right purpose, reasons, and the time. In
business journey, I've seen anything, if you do it for the glory, there are high chances that you won't be successful.
I agree.
Because glory is only for the outside world.
Yeah.
Inside world there is no
कंज्यूमर
glory.
नहीं रुकता सर ग्लोरी देख के.
कुछ नहीं
If you are
होता.
not giving that service and the product right, consumer is happy to move on, and it's not just the Indian consumer, it's all the consumer
Around the world. Yeah.
around the world. We never spared BlackBerry, we never spared Sony, we never spared
Nokia.
Kodak, we never spared Nokia, we never spared all these brands. यार forget about it. हम तो इंडिया को बोलते रहते हैं इंडिया का कस्टमर लॉयल नहीं है. बता दो ग्लोबल कौन से लॉयल थे. सब मूव ऑन कर गए ना, जैसे चीज़ें टेक्नोलॉजी अपग्रेड हुई, लाइफ अपग्रेड हुई सब लोगों की. पीपल विल नॉट स्टिक टू इट.
So you need to keep upgrading.
You have to be in your toes. You have
on
to
your toes, keep upgrading, get better products, get right price, keep thinking
If I have
about
to-
how consumer focused you are. And if you want to build business bootstrap, then find your brother to do it with you.
Absolutely. Find their brother.
Thank you so much for being here.
I hope I
it
could
becomes-
add value to your channel, and
Yeah,
always
100%.
happy to come and share my experiences. Be exciting.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Lovely. Great having you, and
Yes,
great
sir.
having me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for watching this episode till the end. अगर आपको ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा तो हमें कमेंट्स में बताओ कि इस एपिसोड में क्या अच्छा लगा, ताकि हम वैसी चीज़ें और करते जाएं और आपके लिए और भी बेहतर एपिसोड बनाते जाएं. और आपको कुछ गंदा लगा तो वो भी हमें बताओ, ताकि हम वो मिस्टेक्स रिपीट ना करें और अगला एपिसोड का एक्सपीरियंस आपका और बेहतर बनाए. बिफोर यू मूव ऑन, आपको पता है क्या करना है. ये एपिसोड किसी एक इंसान के साथ शेयर करना है, क्योंकि एक कॉन्वर्जेशन इज़ इनफ to change someone's perspective, and that perspective can help them grow, can help us grow, and can help everybody in the country grow. Until the next episode, keep figuring out.